In this video, I'll show you how to turn off voice navigation inside Google Maps. If you found this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into it. All right, open up Google Maps as you normally would. And then from here, you want to click onto your profile icon, top right hand corner. Make sure you are logged in. And then once you're logged in, you want to click onto settings near the bottom of the page here. And then scroll down and you want to look for navigation settings. So go ahead and click into navigation settings. And then you'll see sound and voice. Under that is mute state. So at the moment it is currently unmuted. So if I want to turn off voice navigation, I want to click on muted. Or if you like, you can leave it to alerts only. But for this demonstration, I'm going to keep it to muted. So now once you've done that, head back to your maps. Another way to mute voice activation inside Google Maps is I'm going to search for an address. All right, I'm going to go to this address here. I'm going to click on start. And as you can see, my voice is currently turned off here. So if it's on unmuted, it'll look like this. But if you want to turn it off, click onto mute, and that will solve your issues.